Mas madaling sumama sa protesta kesa mag-submit. Paglingkuran ang hindi ka lingkod-lingkod. I-honor ang hindi ka honor-honor. Mag-submit sa mga tao na to na ginagastos ang kaban ng bayan. Still, submit. Kasi yun ang sinabi ng Panginoon. Hindi sa walang ginagawa ang church. Iba po ang laban ng church. Meron tayong anointing, meron tayong authority to fight a different battle. May gagawin ng Panginoon, yun pa rin ang ending. Because it does not matter what role we play in God's story as long as He gets the glory. It doesn't matter. Kung ito lang ang role ko, Lord, maging nanay, maging mabuting nanay, hindi magiging pastor, hindi magiging life coach, then let it be. As long as you get the glory. Maybe hindi ikaw yung magiging katulad namin, tatayo sa harapan, preaching to a lot of people. Maybe hindi yun ang role mo. But kung ano man ang role mo, maybe you are usher, a tech, social media ka, it doesn't matter as long as He gets the glory. What matter is, ang Panginoon ang maparangalan. It matters na ang Panginoon ang maitaas. Yun lang ang mahalaga. Kaya Lord, whatever role it is, gladly, let's play our role faithfully.